Hello, brother. Are you trying to kill him? And don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. I have nothing. Friendly. I don't think you will be able to kill with AR-55, man. I'm not friendly. I don't have gun. Man. I only have a bag. That's it. Not even shield. You want to evac? Or do you want to keep fighting it? I have called my evac. You want to evac, bro? AR-55 here. Oh, it is near. Okay, you can kill him. Do you want heal? I have heal, bro. Big heal. Big medkit. Medkit. Ouch. That's all I have. I don't have anything. Kill him. Yay. Oh no, there is an enemy. Dumi ka na Mario. Howler na mo ate. 1 HP howler. Give me a second. Sorry, I feel right. I'm not gonna die. More not even what the howler. Martin. Oi, more not. Mori.
That was ready.
Man.
That got to my dad.
That do it apa?
Yeah. Just forget about it.
Oh.
Pocket from that. That.
Alas.
Wait.